2011 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, automatic stability control, cruise control, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.